In this question, you have to identify the basic amino acid. Option A, lysine. Now, lysine is a basic amino acid because it contains an amino group in its side chain that readily accepts protons, giving it a basic character. And it has positive charge at physiological pH. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, valine. This is incorrect because valine, which is a non-polar hydrophobic amino acid, does not have a basic or acidic side chain. So it's a neutral amino acid. Option C, tyrosine. This is also incorrect. Tyrosine is a polar amino acid with an aromatic side chain, but it is not basic. It has hydroxyl group in its side chain and can be weakly acidic. Option D, glutamic acid. It is also incorrect because glutamic acid is an acidic amino acid due to the presence of carboxyl group in the side chain, which can donate protons, giving it an acidic character at physiological pH.